Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, September 18, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, September 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 18, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, September 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 55.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 29.7 million pesos for September 18, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, September 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.